MEWAS county ya Meru Mr. Mugendi nombete kwithirwa akigwatanira na atongeria bangi na arentere chia mwerongo ndundene giciko mbunge Gembe North kirima mbura ja gukungwira Ntuku ya Ruuji inthigurune akiaria nombete kwithirwa agitariria mathina jara jombete kwithirwa ja kirumira Ruuji ja county ya Meru akiuga kinyambura ira yombete kwithirwa igitana mbere kura ni mbure gutigira ati Ruuji ruru rukomba kwithirwa rukiongereka nkurukini kenda rumba kwithirwa rugitumirwa ni mwingi.
Griffin Somondi, the medical superintendent at MEWAS Methodist Hospital, and we are glad to collaborate in this International World Water Day to be able to bring to us some of the effects of water in our community. And particularly, we have to say that diarrheal diseases is one of the leading problems that come out as a result of poor water and sanitation equipments and actually the availability of water itself. Also, to come to the dental procedures, dental illnesses like dental fluorosis, those are also things that actually affect us due to the water that we consume. And in this effect, MEWAS Methodist Hospital, together with the Shared Values Foundation, we come here to bring to you treatment for these diarrheal diseases and also dental fluorosis and dental services. Of course, water helps us in a lot of other things, like running other hospital services like dialysis, and water is actually a very integral part of health. Body is about 70% water, and that would mean that the water that we take in is actually very important. We thank the government in partnering with us to bring this idea of water to the communities, including hand wash facilities that I've seen around, alongside other things, basically availability of fresh water to the community. MEWAS Methodist Hospital is committed to ensure that the communities get the best effects, get the best treatment when they come to with these water-related diseases. And of course, dental fluorosis, we do not forget. As MEWAS Methodist Hospital, we also offer the same services in partnership, of course, with Shared Values Foundation today that we have with us here. Availability of water is something that is very key. And of course, as a partnership from MEWAS Methodist Hospital, even with the providers of water, we collaborate. The greatest thing that we provide from our end is patient education, community education, so that they may know how to use water, what type of water to use, and the general effects. We also partner with the water providers to ensure that the water that is provided to the people is not only in terms of the education that we give them, but also is available. And the providers of water can actually make it available. Water that is clean, that is safe, and must also be accessible. Again, the hospital still partners with the community in a great deal and water providers. The hospital has actually dug several boreholes in the community to ensure availability of water to the community. And also number two is not only about water. The hospital also offers several other services that help the community with the National Insurance Authority, that is SHA, that we accept, that can also help you get almost all services within our facility. You can be able to get to see consultant clinics for those who are in the public officers medical scheme. We also offer for teachers a special area for them that can help them to get all services in our facility using the public the SHA Mwalimu cover. We also actually accept several other insurances that help the community to be able to get expert medical services in a level 5 premier facility, probably the biggest in Mount Kenya East. We also offer advanced imaging services like CT scan and also renal hemodialysis services, basically hemodialysis services. So those people with problems around the kidney or any follow-ups for dialysis services, you're welcome to MEWAS Methodist Hospital. Those people who need advanced imaging like CT scan services and other radiology services, you can always get your first point of care at MEWAS Methodist Hospital. And even advanced laboratory services and any other type of service, because apart from providing expert medical care in the facility, we also offer linkage to care, referral systems, to be able to get any care anywhere you want to get it, both locally and internationally.
Ipo sana atutana mbere nande enyuma ya kwa